So we recognize now that the Akashic records are in this subtle body connection, in this energy bubble beneath the feet. So focus there. Feel that energy body that is there, the subtle body, the ninth body. Visualize it as a purplish hue. Feel the wisdom that is there. Just tapping into that, breathing into that. Good. Keeping your chin parallel to the floor, so the back of the neck stays open. You want to feel how the energy in your spine is open fully to receive the energy from the feet into the head. So keeping the chin level to the floor helps the neck, cervical spine to stay open, so the Kundalini can pass through the throat chakra up into the top of the head. Now stay in this same direction and bring your legs together and stretch your arms straight overhead and put your palms together. Now if you can stand like this with your eyes closed, do so. But if not, open the eyes and look straight ahead. No problem. You want to feel the energy at your crown. Feel the energy at your feet. Now take a deep breath in and visualize the light coming up from your feet, streaming out through the fingertips, up into the world and into the center of the universe. Hold for a moment and just visualize your unique light stream going out into the center of the universe. Now slowly exhale and imagine keep your arms up where they are. You're going to hold steady. Feel and imagine the universe is contracting slightly, bringing a response to your bright flash of radiance. And then inhale again, and it's the same experience. You're having a conversation between the earth and universe, and you are the conduit. So inhale and pull the energy up, flashing it out into the center of the universe, and then slowly exhale and just really sense that slight contraction of the universe's response coming back down through you. And we'll continue to have this conversation for just a few more breaths. Now slowly bring your arms down together to your heart. And then inhale, stretch your arms straight out to the sides like you're pushing walls away from you. And then exhale, bring your hands back to the heart. So we're expanding the heart now, and continue. Inhale, slowly stretch out, pushing the energy outward from the heart. And exhale back to your heart. And just flood your auric field with this beautiful light of your soul, which is seated at the heart, expanding your radiance. We're creating an increased sense of peacefulness and centering with these few exercises that we're doing. Just a couple more. As you're doing this expansion exercise, I invite you to feel that you're expanding outward even more into your radiant body. The radiance extends for miles, healing, communicating, drawing in, all the things. All right, one more. And then when you're you're ready, you'll bring your hands to the center of the chest. You're going to put your left hand on the center of the chest, and the right hand is going to go straight on top of it. Now inhale and slowly turn your head to the left. And then exhale, turn your head to the right. Go slow. As you continue this movement, you're inhaling, vibrating Sat. As you exhale, you're vibrating Nam. Try to breathe through your nose, nice and smooth. Very, very slowly. Remember that big picture that I invited you to have the perception of? Use your third eye and feel it and see it. Looking all around you, literally a 360 view. You have the capacity to do that, to experience that. Just a few more. Nice. Come to your center with your head. Take a deep breath in and gently press your hands on your heart. Lift up through the crown. Press your hands flat on your chest. Lift up through your crown. Press down through your feet. And exhale. Beautiful. Now, I think we're going to turn forward, but I want you to stagger yourself because here's the movement that we're going to create. So stagger yourself because we're going to sweep our arms out. So here's our movement. We're going to inhale up, inhale out. We're going to inhale up, and then as you bend your knees, you're going to strongly exhale through the mouth. So inhale, 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 exhale. Inhale, 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 exhale. Good. One more. Inhale up. Stretch up with all 10 fingers. Shoulders relaxed. Press down through the feet. Exhale, relax the arms down. Stand with the palms facing forward. Give a little space between the body and the arms. Eyes can be open or closed. Good. Inhale and exhale. Beautiful. All right, we're going to sit, and I want you to get your papers and your pen ready to go. So we're going to do a silver zipper meditation, and this is from one of my sisters, Myra Penaloza, who lives in Bali, and she's a beautiful clothing designer. This dress that I'm wearing is part of her collection. She's a lovely, lovely teacher. So you're going to take your papers and you're going to lay them out. We're going to put the yellow paper first. Then we're going to do the blue paper in the middle. And then the purple paper next to it. And if you're at home and you don't have the colored paper, that's fine. Right at the top of your pages, yellow, blue, and purple. All right? Good. Now, these three papers are going to be representative of three bags that are before you. All right? So just take a moment and visualize these papers as three bags. Yellow, which is representative of your career, identity, your solar plexus. Your blue, communication, broken promises, throat chakra blocks. And the purple, the catch-all for what's left. We're going to just trust our intuition with these three bags. Okay, so on your yellow paper, you're going to write all the who am I supposed to be questions. Who am I supposed to be? Write it as a question. Who am I supposed to be? You can write it as an answer too. Whatever comes through. Who am I supposed to be?